G'day guys, listen, I know you don't usually see me in a collared shirt and shoes, but there's a good reason for that. If you look behind me, that's the reason. I tell you what, I'm at Shi Shi. Shi Shi is one of the hottest nightclubs in Indonesia, certainly, definitely the hottest here in Bali. Tonight is a ladies' night, and there are literally thousands of ladies going to be here, and it's early night tonight. It's only probably 9 o'clock, and the place is already filling up really quickly. The ladies get free drinks, the guys get a free flow to that, man. I tell you what, this is just insane. The difference between Shi Shi and all the other clubs and bars and pubs in Bali is the dress code. This is where you come when you want to put your little pink frock on or your little black dress, and the guys got to dress up a little bit too. Everyone's got to look a little bit smart and a little bit looking after himself. So this is insane. They've got LED ceiling, they've got the best DJs in the planet, they've got an amazing list of cocktails and 3 floors of party. So I tell you what, I'm going to have a great time tonight. You guys enjoy the ride, and I'm going to do a couple of vlogs over the next few weeks to show you all about what they do here at Shi Shi. They've got a massive menu. The restaurant is just phenomenal. I was here the other night, and I'll get to show you one of those episodes shortly. But well, let's start with ladies' night. Why not? Cheers. To Shi Shi. Every night of the week, this place is packed. It is ladies' night tonight, and there are hundreds, probably thousands of ladies here already, and the night is just opening up. There's a great DJ, the most amazing light display up on the ceiling, and Muzza. Oh look, I'll be home with something, I promise we be, but what a beautiful night. Say hello. So it's still pretty early, they're still just loading up. The dance floor is going to be packed all but soon enough, and then after that the buzzer might cut some moves. Hey, what? You guys on YouTube?
From Ireland.
Ireland, well welcome to Bali.
Thank you very much. Bali's great.
Now you're on YouTube.
Hello YouTube, what's up?
Ireland! Good on you. The party is just going off. A DJ over here. People are going crazy. And we're all having a ball. So, if you're thinking that Leggy is a bit quiet, there's no one in Kuta, I know why. They're all down here at Shi Shi. God bless the place. It's a little bit insane, but it's amazing. I tell you what a hell of a night. Oh my God. I'd like to describe it for you in graphic detail, but there's so many things I want to tell you about that's just next level on every level. From every single time you go to the toilet and come out, there's someone in there cleaning the toilet. It's just the most amazing place I think I've ever been to. Honestly, I better go home now. It's about midnight and only just starting to feel like, whoa, here we go. Whoa. The line up outside. So many beautiful ladies, so many cool people, and no fights, no dramas, no assholes, not yet, not that I found anyway. And except me, and this guy here, he's my cameraman assistant today. What a good bloke. But honestly, guys, if you want a different experience, this is like stepping out of Bali and jumping into New York or something. It's just like in LA. I've been to some pretty wild parties in LA, and they all close at about 12 o'clock. This place is open all day. Oh my God. I'm going home before I get in trouble. Love you, V. I'll see you soon. But I'll tell you what, holy shit. If you're a single bloke and you want to come over and have a party, or if you're a young couple and you just want to dance the night away, there is a million people. Look at this guy. How you going, brother?
What's up, my friend?
There's so many crazy people here having a great time. What else do you want to do? The whole street is full of party animals that are all here to have a great time. Surround yourself with good people having a good time, and you can't have a bad time. Look at this guy over here. Hey. Guys, hope you get here. Hope you get here soon. Because if you're looking for me, you'll probably find me right here.